Bad breaker. Common symptoms of bad breakers. How to tell if a circuit breaker is bad. Electrical circuits are protected from outrageous currents utilizing circuit breakers. A circuit breaker is a programmed switch designed to safeguard or protect electrical systems. You will need to see regardless of whether your circuit breaker trips immediately or not. On the off chance that your circuit breaker is tripping right away, that is something that definitely needs quick consideration and expert assistance. This regularly means that there is an issue with a faulty breaker or a short circuit. Then again, your circuit breaker doesn't trip right away, it generally implies that your circuit is overburdened. A bad breaker implies a state of the circuit breaker that has stopped working, tripping, has a burning smell, hot to touch, or potentially has physical damage. Exactly when a circuit breaker turns bad, it can't do its protection task as required. Step-by-step process to let know if a circuit breaker is bad. Step 1. Unplug all connected electronics. It is suggested that you first remove all electronics connected to a circuit that you're going to alter. Be that as it may, if you're mindful, you can just explicitly remove any appliances connected to the certain circuit you're going to test. Step 2. Remove the breaker panel. Remember to wear your electric safety gloves and check if you have all the necessary tools before you start chipping away at this electric task. In the present scenario, remove or eliminate the panel covering the expanse of the entire breaker system. Step 3. Probe with multimeter. Set up your multimeter as you presently will start testing whether your circuit breaker is bad. Cautiously connect the black wire to the COM slot of the multimeter, while you connect the red wire to the slot marked with the letter V and omega symbol. Besides, directly testing each breaker on the off chance that it's faulty, there are likewise indicative signs of whether a circuit breaker is bad. 1. Burning smell. This is immediately a sign that something has turned out badly with your circuit breakers. 2. Breaker trips frequently. In the event that your circuit breaker often trips, this might be an indication that either your circuit is bad, or the breaker is defective. 3. Breakers hot to touch. A hot breaker could imply that a circuit is overloaded, which manifests through the production of heat. 4. Evident circuit breaker damage. You ought to always check whether your circuit breaker and its panel have some perceivable damage. 5. Longevity of breaker operation. 6. Overloaded circuit. The overloading of the circuit will bring about a tripped breaker since the circuit is being utilized for 37.5 amps, well over the design maximum load of the breaker. Prior to resetting a breaker, consistently confirm what is connected with the circuit and what the evaluations are for the equipment. 7. Power surges and spikes. Overall, electrical technicians expect that overload and short circuits are the main causes of the failure of the circuit breakers. 8. Bad or faulty wiring, loose connections. Always ensure wires are firmly connected with the breaker and check for similar connection errors on all connected appliances. 9. Short circuit. Short circuits are one of the main sources of circuit breakers to fail. In this way, rather than having current go through a motor or heating component, it tracks down a way around them. This short circuit draws a huge amount of current, quickly tripping the breaker. 10. Old age. At times, the circuit breaker can begin to glitch basically on the grounds that it is old. After some time, a circuit breaker can become worn out and start to lose its viability. This implies that it won't have the option to deal with a similar amount of current as when it was new. Why it is important to know if your circuit breaker is bad. This is to prevent catastrophic mishaps from happening to your homes. As you are never aware of the possibility of fire risks brought about by electric sources, you should continuously ensure that your fail-safe systems are well intact and functioning. Furthermore, on the off chance that you didn't have any idea, fires, regardless of how small, will continuously diminish the value of your property. Hence, in the event that you're anticipating selling your home in the future, it's in the best of your inclinations to preserve the structural integrity of your home. This includes taking care of each feature of your property, including your circuit breakers. Conclusion. On the off chance that the circuit breaker goes bad, the only choice is to replace it. Circuit breakers are not user serviceable and are generally sealed, preventing users from opening them. It is crucial to check them properly and pursue a decision on whether to replace them or maintain them. The proper testing of the circuit and its loads will keep the circuit breakers from going bad. Circuit breakers by and large don't have a definite life expectancy. Thanks for watching.